Welcome everyone to the Art of Crochet project. In today's crochet tutorial, we will be crocheting the Treble Crochet Stitch. Okay, so let's begin. I'll make a slip knot. And I'll chain 9 stitches. Okay. Now to start the next row, we're going to chain 3 stitches up. 1, 2, 3. To do the first treble crochet, we yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over, and we now have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, 4 loops on our hook. We work off 2 at a time. Okay, next one, yarn over twice, insert hook, yarn over. We have 4 loops on our hook, work off 2 at a time. The first row is always a little bit more difficult, so what I generally do is I try to hold the bottom of the stitch that I'm making. So I'm putting my hands here, my thumb and my big finger, and holding the stitch as I'm making it and working off the 2 at a time. Treble crochets are excellent stitches for scarves, anything that you want to kind of work up quickly, because it is a taller stitch than a double crochet. And then to do the next row, we'll chain 3 and turn. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are amazing. If you like this video, please subscribe and tap the bell. If there are any comments or questions, please feel free to message me. Thank you.